Oh, this is documented.
Action. Girlicious.
Oh, shit!
Why don't you put a hat on?
I don't have one! Oh, crap. How do you put videos on YouTube? Or Facebook?
There you go.
Easily.
What?
Now you get it. Yeah, keep going. There's lots there.
Isn't he a genius?
The fact that he's got his scope wide open isn't too great, but...
Ah, that's our Michael.
Oh, this is not going to end well.
Oh yeah, there you go.
On a positive note, the ladder seems to be firmly still.
Well, it's steady. It's in the ground. You can use your two hands.
Crap.
You can use your two hands to chop the snow.
What?
Use your two hands. There we go. Big one's coming off.
Ah!
Just say you're gonna get some awkward angles in this.
That's more fast after.
Remember, no snow in the camera.
I'm getting it off me!
That's disgusting. Don't, asshole.
No, aim for the corner.
Yeah.
That's where the worst of it was. Nice
Yeah, I was
job.
starting to chill me.
Yeah, I noticed. Okay. I'm gonna let the dogs come up.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I'll bury them!
Yes, they are.
Not when it comes to snow there. Hey, girls, you want to try?
Come on, cooperate.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.
No!
Yes, 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 yes.